Hi, Professor. In this video, I will be sharing the recordings for the test of auditory processing skills. So I'll go ahead and get started.
Go. Processing oral directions. For this activity, I will talk about a direction and then ask you a question about it. Let's try a practice one. The man said, "Give me the red cards." What should you do?
Give him the red cards.
That's correct.
Let's try another practice one. Your neighbor said, "Put the rake on the grass." Where should the rake go?
On the grass.
That's correct.
That's what the rest of these will be like. I will talk about a direction and then ask you a question. You will hear this tone. Before I start talking about each direction, listen carefully because I can't repeat the directions. The woman said, "Give me the pencil." What does she want?
For me to give her the pencil.
Your babysitter said, "Let's go outside." Where should you go?
Outside.
The teacher said, "Line up by the window." Where should you line up?
By the window.
The teacher said, "Turn to page 74 in your math book." What page should you turn to in your math book?
74.
The coach said, "Please write your name in the bottom left-hand corner of the paper." Where should you write your name?
In the bottom left-hand corner of the paper.
Word discrimination. You are going to hear two words. Tell me if both words are the same or different. For example, if I said school, school, you would say they are the same. If I say school, cool, you would say they are different. Let's try some practice words. Listen carefully because I can only say the words one time. Are these words the same or different? Bike, bake.
Different.
That is correct. They're different.
Are these words the same or different? Cows, cows.
The same.
That is correct.
Now let's do some more of these. You will hear this tone. Before I start each set of words, remember to listen carefully and tell me if the words are the same or different. Set, set.
They're the same.
Floor, floor.
Different.
Lamp, lamp.
Same.
Glass, grass.
Different.
Wig, rig.
Different.
Phonological deletion. I'm going to say a word. I am going to ask you to repeat the word and then say it again without some of the sounds at the end of the word. For example, if I said, "Say finish without the ish," you would say fin. Let's try a practice. Say cowboy.
Cowboy.
Now say it again without boy.
Cow.
That's correct.
Let's do some more like that. You will hear this tone before I start each word. Say weekend.
Weekend.
Now say it again without end.
Week.
Say snowball.
Snowball.
Now say it again without ball.
Snow.
Say pancake.
Pancake.
Now say it again without cake.
Pan.
Say rapid.
Rapid.
Now say it again without id.
Rap.
Say polite.
Polite.
Now say it again without light.
Ho.
Say pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Now say it again without kin.
Pump.
Phonological blending. I'm going to say some sounds. When I'm finished, you say the word that the sounds make. For example, if I said b, e, you would say b. Let's try a practice set of sounds. S, a, t. What's the word?
Sat.
That's correct.
Let's try another set of sounds. T, b. What's the word?
Tub.
That is correct.
Let's do some more. You will hear this tone before I start each set of sounds. Tell me the word that the sounds make. Listen carefully because I cannot repeat the sounds. S, o,
So.
I, t,
It.
sh, t,
Shut.
t, oo, b,
Tube.
e, t,
Feet.
t, w, I, n.
Twin.
T, e, n, t,
Tent.
a. Syllabic blending. I'm going to say some syllables, parts of words. When I'm finished, you say the word that the syllables make when they are put together in order. But here's a clue. The words are not real words. They are made up words. For example, if I said shay, tin, you would say shaytin. If I said moo, shin, you would say mooshin. Let's try a practice one. To, pin. What's the word?
Tubin.
Good job. That's correct.
Let's try another one. Listen. Bar, tea. What's the word?
Barty.
Good job. That's correct.
Let's do some more like that. You will hear this tone before I start each set of syllables. Remember, I will say the syllables. You tell me the made-up word. Po, tell.
Hotel.
S, mat.
Samat.
Frip, ig.
Frippig.
Pop, kit.
Papa Kit.
T, lang, e.
Talangi.
Par, tick. Auditory figure ground. I will talk about a direction and then ask you a question about it. This time, you will also hear some other people talking. Pay attention to my voice and don't listen to the other people talking. Let's try a practice one. The teacher said, take out a book. What do you need to take out?
A book.
That is correct.
Let's try another practice one. The man said, let's find the blue blocks. What should you do?
Find the blue blocks.
That is correct.
Now let's do some more. You will hear this tone before I start talking about each direction. Remember that you will also hear some other people talking. Pay attention to my voice and don't listen to the other people talking. The woman said, give me the crayon. What does she want?
She wants the crayon.
Your babysitter said, let's go downstairs. Where should you go?
Downstairs.
The teacher said, sit down on the carpet. Where should you sit?
On the carpet.
The teacher said, turn to page 47 in your science book. What page should you turn to in your science book?
47.
The coach said, please write your address in the upper right-hand corner of the paper. Where should you write your address?
In the upper hand right corner.
I'm going to say some sets of numbers. When I'm finished with each set, you repeat them back to me in the same order you heard them. First, we'll practice. Listen carefully. I can't repeat them once we start. Ready? Okay. 3, 8.
3, 8.
Good job. 7, 5.
7, 5.
That's correct. Good job. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue. 6, 4.
6, 4.
2, 5.
2, 5.
3, 1, 6.
3, 1, 6.
7, 4, 9.
7, 4, 9.
6, 9, 5, 7.
6, 9, 5, 7.
3, 6, 2, 9.
3, 6, 2, 9.
8, 3, 9, 4, 6.
8, 3, 9, 4, 6.
5, 1, 7, 2, 9.
5, 1, 7, 2, 9.
4, 2, 5, 1, 8, 7.
4, 2, 5, 1, 8, 7.
5, 8, 4, 9, 3, 6.
5, 8, 4, 9, 3, 6.
1, 5, 2, 8, 4, 9, 7.
1, 5, 2, 8, 4, 9, 7.
8, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6, 1.
8, 2, 7, 4, 6, 3, 1.
I'm going to say some sets of numbers. When I'm finished with each set, you repeat the numbers back to me in reversed order. So if I say 4, 1, you say 1, 4. First, we'll practice. Listen carefully. I can't repeat them once we start. Ready? 9, 2.
2, 9.
That is correct. 1, 6.
6, 1.
That is correct. Okay, now we're going to continue with other ones, okay? 7, 3.
3, 7.
4, 9.
9, 4.
5, 2, 8.
8, 2, 5.
6, 9, 2.
2, 9, 6.
4, 9, 5, 3.
3, 5, 9, 4.
7, 1, 6, 8.
8, 6, 7, 1.
3, 7, 5, 8, 1.
1, 8, 5, 3, 7.
2, 9, 4, 6, 3.
3, 6, 4, 9, 2.
8, 2, 5, 1, 9, 4.
4, 9, 8, 2, 1.
I'm going to say some sets of words. When I'm finished with each set, you repeat them back to me in the same order you heard them. Listen carefully. I can't repeat them once we start. Ready? Rock, car.
Rock, car.
Good job. Tree, hill.
Tree, hill.
That's correct. Good job. So now we're going to do some more, okay?
Okay.
Cat, shoe.
Cat, shoe.
Bird, star.
Bird, star.
Kite, nail, moon.
Kite, nail, moon.
Tie, nut, lip.
Tie, nut, lip.
Map, open, leg.
Map, open, leg.
Knife, boat, pin, whistle.
Knife, boat, pin, whistle.
Nose, tent, carpet, clock.
Nose, tent, carpet, clock.
Bell, flower, balloon, pet.
Bell, flower, balloon, pet.
Coffee, desk, mirror, fruit.
Coffee, desk, mirror, fruit.
Apple, water, pole, camp, pan.
Apple, water, pole, camp, pan.
Towel, bug, puppy, man, shell.
Towel, bug, puppy, man, shell.
Butter, jump, monkey, store, open.
Butter, jump, monkey, store, open.
Ring, bench, lotion, valley, printer. I'm going to say a sentence. When I'm finished, you repeat it back to me just as you heard it. First, we'll practice. Listen carefully. I can't repeat them once we start. Ready? Sit still.
Sit still.
That's correct. Give the book to Mary.
Give the book to Mary.
Good job. So we're gonna do some more like that, okay? The cat meowed.
The cat meowed.
The child laughed.
The child laughed.
Alice sat down.
Alice sat down.
Ilana finished her lunch.
Ilana finished her lunch.
Show Nicole your toys.
Show Nicole your toys.
Sherry recited the poem.
Sherry recited the poem.
My dog ran in the house and barked.
My dog ran in the house and barked.
Paint the house and car light blue.
Paint the house and car light blue.
Write a short but very scary story.
Write a short but very scary story.
Adam mailed a small brown package.
Adam mailed a small brown package.
Justin is on my team for the game tonight.
Justin is on my team for the game tonight.
Marta and Ben dug a hole in the backyard.
Marta and Ben dug a hole in the backyard.
Go to the sandbox with John and build a castle.
Go to the sandbox with John and build a castle.
Last night, Evan baked cookies and cupcakes for his basketball team.
Last night, Evan baked cookies and cupcakes for his basketball team.
Ryan got a broom and swept the dirt off the porch.
Ryan got a broom and swept the dirt off the porch.
Listen to what I say. When I'm finished, I will ask you some questions about what you just heard. Listen carefully because I will only say it one time. First, let's try some practice ones. Tom has a puppy. What does Tom have?
A puppy.
That is correct. Mark has a red balloon. What color is Mark's balloon?
Red.
That's correct. Now we're gonna do some more like that, okay? Andy ate a carrot. Who ate something?
Andy.
What did he eat?
A carrot.
The ball bounced on the grass. What bounced?
The ball.
Where did it bounce?
The grass.
The cat sat on the brown couch. What sat?
The cat.
Where did it sit?
The brown couch.
John has a black chair. What color is the chair?
Black.
Who has a chair?
John.
This morning, a little blue frog ate a fly. What color was the frog?
Blue.
When did the frog eat the fly?
In the morning.
Bob went to the den to find his sister's baseball mitt. Where did Bob go?
The den.
Whose mitt was he looking for?
His sister's.
Jose took lessons to learn how to play the guitar, but after a few lessons, he wanted to play the drums instead, just like his father. What kind of lessons did Jose take?
Guitar.
What instrument